Hello guys, I'm going to do a beer review today. Salty Dog Grapefruit Gose. It's by Brass Castle Brewery. They're quite local to me, about 30 miles in Malton. Quite good. I quite like their stuff. They do some nice IPAs, and this Grapefruit Gose, 3.6%, so quite sessionable. Oh. Light carbonation hiss there, not much smoke. It is quite cold though. I had it just outside in the shed, so not much of a head on it. Oh, that's coming through. A little light head. I can smell it from here. Very grapefruit, and there's a bit of don't know, almost like gooseberries. Yeah. So, cheers fellas, beer makers and brew tubers, etc. Oh, that's quite tart. Very tart. I can taste the salt as well. A dry finish, but very refreshing. Oh yeah, quite tart, but light as well. A lot of you might have heard of Magic Rocks, I think it is, who do Salty Kiss. Very similar, but ooh, there's that grapefruit back aftertaste. That dry bittering at the back. Makes you want another one, that grapefruity. So if you ever get the chance, it's Brass Castle Brewery's Salty Dog Grapefruit Gose, 3.6%. I imagine this will be really nice in the summer for a barbecue. Sit back, smash a few of these, no trouble. And not worry too much at 3.6%. So, cheers for now guys, catch you in the next one.